Do you ever feel that sharp, nagging pain when you stand up? Or maybe it's that dull ache that creeps in after a short walk or climbing a flight of stairs? And what about that cracking or popping sound your knees make? It's not just a sign that you're getting older, it's your body sending you an urgent message, a cry for help. What if I told you there's a simple, delicious drink, likely made with ingredients already in your kitchen, that could help rebuild your joints, fight inflammation, and relieve that persistent pain, all naturally? It sounds almost too good to be true, doesn't it? But nature has packed a powerful remedy into something as humble as a cup of tea. Over the years, our bones and joints go through a lot. They support us, carry us, and allow us to move through life. But all that work leads to wear and tear. The cartilage, which is the soft, rubbery cushion between your bones, can start to break down. This breakdown is often accelerated by inflammation, a diet lacking essential nutrients, or even just not moving enough. When that cushion thins out, you get pain, stiffness, and those unsettling sounds. But here's the wonderful news. Your body has an incredible, innate ability to repair itself. You just need to give it the right tools. And one of the most effective natural healers for your joints is a warm, golden cup of turmeric and ginger tea. This isn't some new fad. This potent beverage has been a cornerstone of traditional medicine for centuries, celebrated for its ability to combat inflammation, strengthen bones, and restore flexibility. Let's break down why it's so effective. First, let's talk about turmeric. This vibrant golden spice is more than just a pretty color. It contains a powerhouse compound called curcumin. Scientific studies have shown that curcumin is a potent anti-inflammatory. It works by blocking specific enzymes and pathways in the body that trigger inflammation, which is the root cause of most joint pain and stiffness. In a way, it acts like a natural pain reliever, but without the harsh side effects that can come with long-term use of over-the-counter or prescription medications. It targets the problem at its source. Now, let's add its partner in healing, ginger. Ginger is another incredible route with its own set of superpowers. It contains active compounds called gingerols, which are also known for their strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. But ginger does something else that's crucial for joint health. It improves blood circulation. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrient-rich blood can get to your joints, which helps to reduce swelling and speed up the natural repair process. It gets things moving, both literally and figuratively, giving you smoother joint movement and quicker recovery. When you combine turmeric and ginger, it's like creating a dynamic duo for your joints. They work together, amplifying each other's effects to create a powerful anti-inflammatory and healing tonic that works from the inside out. This synergy is what makes the tea so special. So, how do you make this magical golden tea? It's incredibly simple. You don't need any fancy equipment. Just bring a cup of water to a boil in a small pot. Once it's boiling, add about half a teaspoon of good quality turmeric powder and a few thin slices of fresh ginger root. Let it simmer gently for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the active compounds to fully infuse into the water. After it simmers, strain the tea into your favorite mug. Now, for a little boost in both flavor and effectiveness, you can add a teaspoon of raw honey and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Honey adds a touch of natural sweetness and has its own anti-inflammatory properties, while lemon not only brightens the flavor but also provides vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production and cartilage health. Here's a pro tip. Add a tiny pinch of black pepper. Pepper contains piperine, a compound that has been shown to dramatically increase your body's absorption of curcumin by up to 2,000%. It's a small step that makes a huge difference. For the best results, try to drink this tea once or twice a day. Maybe start your morning with a warm cup to loosen up your joints, or have one in the evening to soothe any aches from the day. Consistency is key. You might start noticing small changes within a few weeks perhaps, a little less stiffness in the morning, more flexibility when you bend down, and a gradual reduction in that nagging pain. But the benefits of this tea don't stop at your knees. This golden elixir supports your entire body. It helps strengthen your bones, which can reduce the long-term risk of conditions like arthritis and osteoporosis. The powerful antioxidants found in both turmeric and ginger also go to work protecting your body on a cellular level. They help neutralize free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage tissues, including those in your joints, and accelerate the aging process. It even supports heart health by improving circulation and helping to manage inflammation throughout your system. Think about it. Imagine waking up each morning feeling stronger, without that familiar ache in your joints. Imagine going for a walk, playing with your kids or grandkids, or simply getting out of a chair without wincing. Imagine your body moving with ease and freedom again. If you're someone who has been relying on painkillers that just mask the symptoms, or if you've tried various joint supplements without seeing the results you hoped for, maybe it's time to try a different approach. An approach that works with your body, not against it. It's time to give your body the natural healing tools it needs to repair itself from within. Starting this simple daily habit can be a profound act of self-care. It's about nourishing your body, respecting its signals, and choosing a path of natural, sustainable wellness. You'll be amazed at how your knees, hips, and all your other joints start to thank you. So, are you ready to pour a little relief and rejuvenation into your life? Don't just put up with joint pain as an inevitable part of life. Take action. Start brewing your golden tea today, and in just a few weeks, you might feel like your joints have been given a second chance. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tips on living a healthier, more vibrant life. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Here's to your health.